Hey everybody, it's Connie with simplestamping.com, back with another Speedy Delivery card called Pretty Friendship Card. Hey, we're going to start with this Eastern Beauty stamp set and its matching Thinlits, the Eastern Medallion Thinlits. My Daffodil Delight cardstock is cut 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4.25 inch, and I have another little piece of Daffodil Delight 2 inches by 3 inches. My Whisper White cardstock is 4 inches by 5.25, and I have another little piece that is 1.5 by 4.5. I'm also going to use about 10 inches of the silver metallic edge ribbon. Let's go ahead and start. We're going to layer we're going to nest together 3 of those Thinlits there on our card front. Let's run that through the Big Shot and through the magic of television. Look at that. We've got a great looking card. With the banner punch, let's punch out both ends of that Whisper White, and we're going to add that to the front of the card. Now we're going to run the embossing buddy over that little piece of daffodil. I'm going to stamp my sentiment in a Versamark pad and sprinkle it with Whisper White embossing powder. Let's shake off the excess there, and now we can come in with our heat tool and heat set that, and we'll run that through a Thinlit as well. That's going to give us a great focal image. I'm going to add some dimensionals on the back, give it a nice little pop on the front of our card. I'm going to take that metallic edge ribbon. Those holes are great. We're just going to run those through and tie a knot. And now with a Daffodil Delight ink pad, I'm going to stamp Enjoy Today, and then I'll stamp these little swirly guys. They just add a little accent, and we'll adhere that to the inside of our card. We're going to give those petals a little fluff. Aren't those great? And it gives nice dimension to my card. There you go. That was a speedy one today. I hope you enjoyed it. Hey, if you liked what you saw today, do me a favor, click subscribe so you can be up to date on more videos throughout the week. Thanks for checking out Simply Simple Stamping.